Hello everyone, happy to join with you all again in our English class. We are here in this class today to discuss a part in parts of speech, the familiar topic. Now, just recall the parts of speech that you have learnt. There are totally 8 parts of speech, right? Such as noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. We had a brief discussion on this in our last class, so now let's get started. First, see these sentences. The rat is under the box, the rat is on the box, the rat is in front of the box, the rat is in the box, the rat is behind the box, and the rat is near the box. What is the difference among these sentences? The position of the rat and the noun is common in all the sentences. The rat is on the box. We have changed only a word in all the sentences which has brought a new meaning in it. Let's see about that word which is very small and very common in usage, named preposition. See, usually we say this as a preposition because pre and position are given in the word, so we used to pronounce like this, but the correct pronunciation is preposition. Do call the term preposition, okay? And I hope you are remembering all the prepositions now, like in, on, at, near, behind, to, with, far, off, from, by, about, over, above. Okay. Prepositions are short words placed before nouns. See, preposition, which means place before. It indicates prepositions come before something, some noun or pronoun. They are linking a noun or pronoun with other words in the sentence together by expressing its position, movement, time, possession, and even how an action is completed. Students, prepositions are words placed before a noun or pronoun to indicate its place, time, or direction. Let's understand with an example. The cat is sitting on the table. Here, on, the word on is used to link. If we write the sentence without on, we are not able to get the relation between the sitting of cat and the table. Thus, preposition tell us where or when something is in relation to another. There are mainly 3 types of prepositions: simple preposition, compound preposition, and phrase preposition. Simple prepositions are short words which consist of one word, like at, for, in, on, over, under, etc. See the example, he is sitting on the chair. Here, on is the simple preposition. And the next one is compound preposition. Compound prepositions are the combination of 2 or more words. Usually, it will be with a simple preposition and another non-prepositional prepositional word, like across from within, in front of, like those words. And if 2 simple prepositions are combined, we call it as double preposition, like the words into, without, and onto. Let's see the examples here. The ball is in front of the box. Here, in front of, which is compound preposition. And the next one is the caterpillar turned into a butterfly. Into, in and to both are simple prepositions. They are combined together and called as double preposition. And the next one is phrase preposition. When a group of words are used as a single preposition, that is called phrase preposition. Like according to, on the floor, such that. And yes, these prepositions are like mouse. They can go anywhere like mouse goes. And the interesting fact is, there are only around 150 prepositions in English. Over time, no words are added to it, so that it is regarded as closed class. just 100 to 150 words, that's all. And here are some prepositions. See them and let's see how to use them in a sentence in the next video.